Alright, so I just watched a video on YouTube from chemical guys showing how well this cleans up. Carpet's not too bad. I do have a pretty dirty floor mat, so we'll try that. This is using chemical guys and doing it with the brush here. Look down a little bit. Let's see how this looks. It looks like it's taking off pretty well. Set this on the floor. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Let's see if we'll get a little bit more of that dark side done. All right, and let's go in here. We're gonna grab a microfiber towel. And we're just gonna rub this off.